Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you'd like to receive trading signals from either myself or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, and you can do so simply by visiting our website. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. So it really is great value for money. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description. So if you do want to join the team, all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on the link in the description of this video, which will then take you to our website, and then that's where you'll then be able to join our service. However, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar chart, and as you can see today, we have continued our uptrend back towards that $2,000 price target. We're now currently trading at 1957, so we're only roughly 43 points away now from our first price target. And then once we hit 2000, we're then going to be aiming towards 2100. If you've been watching my videos for the past couple of months or weeks, you'll know that I've been extremely bullish on gold all the way back since January when we were trading down at 1500. And I think that we're going to go a lot higher than 2100 personally. I think we could even go as high as 2300. Gold chart in front of me, very simple. All the fundamentals are pointing to higher gold prices, such as low interest rates, the Fed supporting the markets and printing out money, tensions between US and China, and as well as that, we have the US elections coming up, which is going to be very uncertain as to who is going to win, and uncertainty causes investors to allocate their money to safe havens such as gold. So the fundamentals are very positive for the gold prices, and as well as that, the technicals are even more positive. It's been very simple. We've been trading above the 50-day EMA now for the past couple of months, and as you can see, we made contact and we tested the 50-day EMA last week, where we formed this slight hammer candlestick, which is typically a bullish sign. And as you can see, we tapped the 50-day EMA, and there was some evidence of buyers stepping back into the market. And I said on that day that we will likely go back towards 2000. That's exactly what we have done. On that day, we closed at around 1928, and we're now currently at 1957. So well done to everyone on YouTube who managed to capitalize on that move. As you can see, sorry, I've just got some lines from a previous video. If I just get rid of them quickly. So as you can see, the red line indicates a 50-day EMA, and the 200-day, and the blue line indicates a 200-day EMA moving average. And as you can see, back in 2019, at the start of 2019, we had a bullish crossover where the 50-day EMA pierced above the 200-day EMA, and that typically indicates that we're entering into a new bullish market, and that's exactly what's happened. As you can see, the 50-day EMA has stayed above the 200-day EMA ever since, and as you can see, the gap is very large right now. So this indicates that we are very bullish at this moment in time, and that is one of the reasons why I do believe that this market will go higher. And as you can see, pretty much since the start of 2020, so since January, this area here, this is when I started to get very bullish in gold, because that's when the market pierced above the 50-day EMA. As you can see, we broke down below the 50-day EMA, and since then we broke above. And as you can see, ever since obviously March, we had some unexpected volatility with the crash that the stock market had, when all indices fell roughly around 30%. But since then, we broke back above the 50-day EMA, and ever since we've traded above it, and that indicates that we are very bullish. And we've just bounced off it yet again last week, and that indicates to me that the gold markets want to go higher. So I will only be a seller of this market once a 50-day EMA, once we get a daily close below the 50-day EMA. That will then tell me that we could potentially go and test the 200-day EMA. That's what we got in March. As you can see, we got a daily close below the 50-day EMA, and as you can see, we went and tested the 200-day EMA. If I just draw that here, we broke it here and got the daily close below, and then we went straight towards the 200-day EMA. And since then, we found some support, and as you can see, we broke back above the 50-day EMA, and the rest is history. We skyrocketed towards the upside, and that's exactly what's kind of happened here. We found support, as I mentioned last week, at the 50-day EMA, and this indicates to me that we are going much higher. So for that reason, fundamentally and technically, I am bullish on gold. I have no interest in selling whatsoever at this moment in time. Every dip that occurs because I'm adding small positions to a core position. RSI is looking very healthy as well. We're just above 55, we're actually at 54. So this is very healthy. We are nowhere near considered to be overbought. And I think personally that it will only be a matter of time now until the big investors come back in and inject some money into the gold markets and push us much higher towards that $2,300 level. But $2,000 is my first price target, followed by 2,100. I'm a